Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Squarespace Commerce for conversion strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Squarespace Commerce, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.squarespace.com and press enter. Once the Squarespace homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your Squarespace account. After entering your email, move to the next field and input your password. Ensure that you double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your email and password, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Commerce section from the main dashboard. This section hosts various tools and insights for managing your online store. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available options. Explore the settings to optimize your conversion strategy. Consider integrating analytics tools provided by Squarespace for better insights. Look into marketing features to enhance your store's visibility. As you strategize for conversions, focus on product pages and checkouts. Utilize the built-in SEO tools to help drive more traffic. Regularly review your inventory and sales performance through the dashboard. Finally, consider customer feedback as you refine your approach to conversion strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.